मिस्टर ब्रेड विनर या मिस ब्रेड विनर, अपनी फैमिली या लव्ड वंस के लिए भरोसा तुम हो. Because if you are mindful, we are very sure in this conversation that you will take the right life insurance at the right time. And hence, you are covering for risk, not only thinking fear of death, but also building for your milestones.
Do you see less women adopting or opting for life insurance as compared to men?
See, the starting point was a little behind. That's why their pace and their journey to become equal or better is far higher. I think in the last 10-15 years, and more so in the last 5 years, we have seen that women have been given a very proactive role in communication and in conversations.
So you have to choose a fact or a myth. Life insurance is only needed if you have dependents. Insurance claims are never paid out. Fact or myth? Insurance is an investment tool. Fact or myth? Term insurance is a waste because there is no return. When I say life insurance, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? No, seriously. If I would have asked this question to you 5 years ago, you would have said, I don't care. But something has changed over the last 5 years. People have started asking smart questions. They've started preferring costs over premium. They've gotten serious about life insurance. What has changed on the ground? Did Thanos himself come and blew like this? Or maybe there's a different story. To find that out, I'm joined by Rahul Talwar. Rahul, hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you.
Rahul, what do you do? For my confirmation, you are the CMO at Axis Max Life Insurance?
So I'm a storyteller, and yes, I work in the marketing function at Axis Max Life Insurance.
Oh, that's a perfect CMO description, by the way. So Rahul, let me reframe like what I asked. What actually has changed on the ground in the last 5 to 7 years? Is it because COVID happened? Is it because mentally India grew? Or did we start watching more Satyajit Ray movies? What happened? How are we so serious about life insurance suddenly?
Well, Abhinav, you touched upon a very interesting thing in the beginning. You spoke about smart or smartness. I would say what's happened in the last 5 to 7 years is that life insurance, जो हमेशा एक relevant conversation थी because of the fear of death and this entire legacy narrative that if the breadwinner is not there, what will happen to the family? I think in this entire last 5 to 7 years specifically, this uncertainty has now been seen or experienced by many households. And while I should not say in a lighter vein, but I'm still going to allude to it, कि pandemic ने ना एक तरीके से हम सबकी आंखें खोल दी.
Okay.
Because rarely you would have found an individual or a household जहाँ पे uncertainty ने उनको hit नहीं करा or an unforeseen situation may not have happened. So I think at a larger level, while India and Indians were becoming smart and smarter, and उसका एक सबसे बड़ा litmus test है कि अगर आप देखेंगे कि आज के डेट में health को लेके लोग काफी aware हो गए हैं. And you have 3 kinds of mindsets. Those who are fanatic about health.
Yes.
Those who are fence-sitters.
Yes.
And those who say कि हाँ मुझे पता है मुझे कुछ करना है but maybe मैं आगे करूँगा आगे चल के.
Which one are you, by the way?
I think I'm a fence-sitter converting to now taking some action.
Oh, that makes 2 of us.
So coming back, in addition to the fact that the 2 of us have this similar thinking on health, I think this mindful living became a very interesting conversation, which is the smartness part that you were alluding to.
Okay.
कि अगर मैं अपनी health को लेके कुछ planning करना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं अपनी financial protection को लेके कुछ planning क्यों नहीं करूँगा? And suddenly, in the post-pandemic world, life insurance became a conversation that people were a lot more open to. In fact, a lot of work that we do in our surveys, etc., tell us that people are a lot more aware now. They are willing to evaluate the right life insurance. And in turn, what's also happening
So you're saying ecosystem has changed around
ecosystem has changed, mindsets have changed, and also a lot of enablement has come. आज की डेट में जो कंज्यूमर है, आपके मेरे जैसा या हमारे जैसे हाउसहोल्ड्स का, वो कहता है कि जी डू इट फॉर मी से ज़्यादा डू इट योरसेल्फ वाले प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाओ. तो अगर लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ये डू इट फॉर मी, मैं खुद खरीद सकूं जाके एक वेबसाइट के थ्रू, मैं खुद जाके खरीद सकूं एक कंपनी के वेबसाइट के थ्रू, दैट हैज आल्सो गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ डिजिटल एनेबलमेंट. सो इकोसिस्टम फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, openness from the customers and consumers at large, and also this entire thing कि यार life insurance is not only about fear of death. मैं जैसे जैसे अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं डिफरेंट माइलस्टोन्स अचीव करूंगा. मेरे को अपने लिए, अपनी फैमिली के प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, अपनी लॉन्ग टर्म लाइफ के लिए सही तरीके की लाइफ इंश्योरेंस होना जरूरी है.
Okay,
so that's what's changed.
So there has been a fundamental shift in perspectives as well as ecosystem. That is what you're agreeing.
Absolutely.
Now you have something called India Protection Quotient. I mean, the name sounds very originated from some Marvel movie or a DC movie in the Indian context. I don't know how desi your Iron Man is, but what is India Protection Quotient and what does it do? How did you come around it? Tell me something about it.
So simplistically speaking, since आप conversation को इतना light and lively रख रहे हो, इंडिया प्रोटेक्शन कोशेंट या आपके ऑडियंस के लिए IPQ एज एन एक्रोनिम अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ये बेसिकली एक सर्वे है.
ओके.
इस सर्वे में हम क्या करते हैं, हम अक्रॉस अर्बन इंडिया वी गो टू मेट्रोज टियर 1 टियर 2s and we go and ask people like you and me and beyond in terms of salaried, self-employed women, Gen Zs also, to be able to go and tell us how are they feeling about financial protection. और इंडिया प्रोटेक्शन कोशेंट के अंदर जो आज की डेट में हम अपने 7th एडिशन में हैं, फॉर द लास्ट 7 years we've been running it, we go and ask about financial awareness, we ask about how well are they feeling about financial protection, we also go back and ask them about this entire product category जो आज की डेट में बहुत ecosystem के अंदर buzz कर रही है, which is term insurance. And we are able to then go back, it's a scale research that we do, survey like I said, and we come and report to say कि आज की डेट में urban India के level पे what is that one number which we call as the India Protection Quotient. And again आपके ऑडियंस के लिए जिन्होंने शायद सुना होगा कंज्यूमर कॉन्फिडेंस इंडेक्स, बिजनेस कॉन्फिडेंस इंडेक्स. सो बेसिकली ये एक बैरोमीटर है जिससे आप मेजर कर सकते हो कि जी इंडियंस एट लार्ज कैसा फील कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
एंड अगर आप 7 साल की जर्नी देखेंगे तो 7 साल की जर्नी के अंदर जब हमने शुरू करा था तो ये अर्बन इंडिया ऑडियंस के लिए इंडिया प्रोटेक्शन कोशेंट वाज स्टैंडिंग एट क्लोज टू 35. इन द 7 years, which is now 5 years after the pandemic, and for all the enablement that's happening in the ecosystem, ये number आज stack up कर रहा है 48 पे.
Okay,
which means higher the number, the more protected Indians are feeling, and protected का मतलब है कि उनकी financial protection has been taken care of.
How protected do they feel from social media reels? I mean, that's become a new pandemic, don't you think? And you said Gen Z. Do Gen Zs have feelings? I actually have that. I have that. That is a question which has been going.
So I think आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं बायफोकल तरीके से दूंगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक आप रील्स की बात करें या स्क्रीन एग्नोस्टिक एक ट्रेंड की बात करें, आज की डेट में कोई भी ऑडियंस आप ले लें किसी भी एज ब्रैकेट से, दैट इज कंज्यूमिंग कंटेंट अक्रॉस स्क्रीन्स. Interestingly, what has happened, if you were to again for people like you and me and to what we either post or what we consume, static content has transitioned into a lot of video content and bite-sized videos. Second point on the Gen Z's point that you spoke about, I think अगर मैं एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रोफेशनल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोलूँगा तो मैं ये बोलूँगा कि हमारा टास्क ये है कि how do we make life insurance cool for Gen Z? I can't go and talk about life insurance in the same fuddy-duddy way where I go back and talk about fear of death.
That's why you need to talk to me more often.
Absolutely, that's why I'm here. Thank you for having me here. And the idea of trying to make life insurance cool for Gen Z is कि मेरे को जाके जेनजी की अगर लैंग्वेज है स्लेइंग, तो मुझे जाके जेनजी को ये बोलना पड़ेगा कि जी अगर आपने टर्म इंश्योरेंस अपनी लाइफ बायोलॉजिकल एज में जल्दी ले लिया, दैट इज जबरदस्त, दैट्स एक्चुअली स्लेइंग, वर्सेस गोइंग बैक एंड सेइंग कि मिस्टर जेनजी या मिस जेनजी प्लीज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ले लीजिए. सो आई हैव टू गो एंड मेक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इन दैट लैंग्वेज इन अ कन्वर्सेशनल वे. आई कैन मेक इट अ मोनोलॉग.
सो the language quotient has changed.
Absolutely,
basically.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're right. In fact, that has changed for every industry, more so for yours.
I think financial services have seen, and financial services, within financial services, life insurance has had to take this transition a lot more because we had a huge legacy of a certain narrative जो इस category में exist कर रहा
था. Yeah, definitely. So Rahul, you're right. I mean, there has been a contextual change on the ground and in terms of perception and prescription. But I'm sure there will be a lot of challenges. We still live in a country where insurance is still considered to be a taboo in certain markets maybe. So what are the genuine challenges which you and your team have faced while trying to tell people how good the insurance category is?
So interestingly enough, in addition to the consumer becoming far more aware, Axis Max Life Insurance tries to follow a 3-prong approach.
Okay.
पहले लेवल पे हमारा इंटेंशन ये रहता है कि हम अपने कंज्यूमर्स को अपने सेलर इकोसिस्टम के साथ अवेयरनेस बढ़ाएं, एंड अवेयरनेस इज अबाउट द राइट प्रोडक्ट एट द राइट एज, एंड दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इंटरेस्टिंगली एक ट्रिविया है आपके लिए और आपके ऑडियंस के लिए कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एक 25-year-old इंडिविजुअल जेंडर एग्नोस्टिक अगर सही टाइम पे अपनी जर्नी शुरू करे तो वो आपके हिसाब से अपनी लाइफ स्पैन में कितनी बारी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट्स को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकता है.
ओके.
दैट नंबर स्टैंड्स एट 7. That's 7 times in your life. If you were to start early as a first jobber, you look at marriage, you look at children's education, you look at children's marriage, you then look at your own post say working life, etc. So like that you have 7 life stages across which you can pick up life insurance. So first part of the strategy is to ensure right product, right age, right milestone.
Okay.
Second, we want to make at Axis Max Life Insurance this conversation very, very enabling. So we don't go back and talk about life insurance with a burdensome conversation कि आपको लगे FOMO वाला concept कि पता नहीं आपने क्या चीज़ miss कर दी. So you start feeling burdened and hence you start becoming a little more backseated.
Yeah, like I didn't want to watch Game of Thrones because everybody had watched it. This had happened with me.
So interestingly, let's not go to Game of Thrones. I'll come to that also.
Okay. You don't like Game of Thrones?
No, I love it. I'll come to it.
I still haven't seen it. By the way.
I'll come to it. But the second point I was making was that we try to make it enabling for, again, individuals like yourselves, say even the women gender, if you were to look at it, by saying कि you have to be self-aware, self-realize and self-action. तो कि do it yourself का एक फिनोमिना चला है, people want to be in their themselves control. अच्छा मैं चूज करूँ वर्सेस या क्या कि सैलरी सिर्फ मेरे को बताए कि आपको क्या लेना है नहीं लेना है. और तीसरा पॉइंट जो आई थिंक इस कैटेगरी का सबसे फंडामेंटल रीजन टू एग्जिस्ट है, वो है हमारा मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ. आज आपने जब लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ली एंड भगवान ना करे जब लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट की नीड पड़ेगी, अगर इवेंचुअलिटी हुई कभी भी फैमिली में, तो ट्रस्ट के बेसिस पे आपके नॉमिनी आपका वो क्लेम अमाउंट ले सकते हैं. एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने इस पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन को थोड़ा सा इमोटिव बनाया है, इमोशनल बनाया है बाय सेइंग दैट ओके वी आर ऑल अबाउट भरोसा. और इनफैक्ट अगर आप हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन देखेंगे या हमारे कम्युनिकेशन के कंटेंट को भी कंज्यूम करेंगे, हम जाके ये बोलते हैं कि ब्रेड विनर, मिस्टर ब्रेड विनर या मिस ब्रेड विनर अपनी फैमिली या लव्ड वंस के लिए भरोसा तुम हो. बिकॉज इफ यू आर माइंडफुल, यू आर स्मार्ट टू द पॉइंट दैट यू मेड अर्लियर इन योर पॉडकास्ट, वी आर वेरी श्योर इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट यू विल टेक द राइट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एट द राइट टाइम एंड हेंस यू आर कवरिंग फॉर रिस्क, नॉट ओनली थिंकिंग फियर ऑफ डेथ बट ऑल्सो building for your milestones. So I think वो वाला एक challenges रहता है wholesome package में. आज अगर मैं एक women से बात कर रहा हूँ, तो I have to go back and give women equal stake in this conversation to say that boss, you are also a breadwinner. You may be a single parent, you may be a working mother, you may be say a part of a DINK, double income, no kids, but you have an equal stake in this conversation. And interestingly, एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इस पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन को ना अभी ना बहुत इंक्लूसिव रखता है. वी इवन गो आउट, अगेन रेफरिंग बैक टू इंडिया प्रोटेक्शन कोशेंट वाला सर्वे की जो हम बात करते हैं, हम जाके LGBTQIA+ कम्युनिटी को भी उस सर्वे में इंक्लूड करके उनकी भी फीलिंग को बाहर लेके आते हैं कि वो कम्युनिटी हमसे क्या बात करने की कोशिश कर रही है.
ओके, सो इफ आई हैव टू समराइज, what emotion drives insurance as a category on the ground? Is it fear? Is it awareness? Is it responsibility?
Indians at large are now looking at this as a very proactive conversation. Financial planning, financial protection एक बहुत open conversation है आज की डेट में. And the underlying feeling, I think responsibility में थोड़ा सा shades of pessimism नहीं कहूँगा, थोड़ा सा shades of burdensome आता है, बट प्रोएक्टिव स्मार्ट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग की कॉन्वर्सेशन में जो फीलिंग है वो भरोसे की है. कि मेरे को अपने पे भरोसा है कि मैंने अपने फैमिली के लाइफ स्पैन को देखते हुए, उनकी नीड्स को देखते हुए राइट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ले ली है और अब मैं रिस्क फ्री होके पीस ऑफ माइंड के साथ अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय कर सकता हूँ.
ओके, यू मेंशन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ women, I mean granting them inclusivity and equal share, but do you see a gender gap in the context of insurance? Do you see less women opting for life insurance as compared to men?
दो लेवल्स पे आंसर करूंगा. आई थिंक इंडिया प्रोटेक्शन कोशेंट के सर्वे के थ्रू हमने देखा है कि women are fast catching up with men. I think that's the first part.
But the pace is slow.
No, the pace, the starting point was a little behind. That's why their pace and their journey to become equal or better is far higher. उसका एक फंडामेंटल रीज़न ये है अभिनव कि अगर आप देखेंगे इस कैटेगरी के अंदर हमेशा ब्रेड विनर को एक बहुत ही सिंगुलर फ्रेम से देखा गया है कि ब्रेड विनर फैमिली का मेल पर्सन है. आई थिंक इन द लास्ट 10-15 years and more so in the last 5 years we have seen that women have been given a very proactive role in communication and in conversations. In fact अगर आप एक्सिस मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की जर्नी देखेंगे तो हमने, जैसे मैंने अलूड करा रोहित शर्मा के बारे में, हमें मालूम है कि हमें लाइफ इंश्योरेंस को यंग फैमिली फ्रेम से समझाने में एक आसानी लगती है रिसीवर के लिए. यंग फैमिली में दोनों पेरेंट्स का रोल है. इसीलिए जब हमने ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट की बात करी तो हमने रोहित शर्मा एंड रितिका सचदे जो उनकी रियल वाइफ हैं, हमने उनको इकट्ठे पार्टनर्स बनाया अपना, बिकॉज वी रियलाइज्ड ऑथेंटिक कॉन्वर्सेशन, यंग फैमिली माइंडसेट and to be able to show that there is an equal stake of the women in that conversation.
Okay.
That content becomes a far better receiving from the user point of view. Second point, industry ने Axis Max Life Insurance जैसे progressive players ने products के ऊपर, enablement के ऊपर बहुत काम किया है.
What kind of approach do you see from Gen Z? Do you see more reception from Gen Z? Because all I see Gen Zs are busy in making reels and on Instagrams or sending flowers to each other. When it comes to Gen Z, how do you see their reception?
I think interestingly अगर आप Gen Z को एक corporate word या एक PowerPoint word से replace करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो word आएगा multitasking. I think Gen Zs are masters of multitasking. While कई बारी हमें लगता है कि Gen Zs कुछ conversations को frivolous तरीके से approach करते हैं, but we have seen from a lot of work that we do with Gen Zs that they have a very clear understanding of how to approach financial planning. In fact, on financial planning, उनके जो influencing world है, जैसे हमारे again households में देखें या मैं अपनी बात करूं, तो जब मैंने लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की बात करी एज अ 24-year-old, मेरे सबसे बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर थे मेरे फादर, जिन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि अच्छा आपने काम करना शुरू करा है, आप अपनी पहली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ले लो. जेनजीज के जो ये इन्फ्लुएंसिंग वर्ल्ड है, ये ट्रेडिशनल भी है बट ये मॉडर्न भी है. ये अपने फादर या अपने फैमिली की भी सुनते हैं, बट ये अपने वर्ड ऑफ माउथ के थ्रू अपने इकोसिस्टम की भी सुनते हैं. आपने बात करी रील्स की, वीडियो कंटेंट की. जेनजीज या लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंटेंट को जब वो कंज्यूम करते हैं, वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेम लगाते हैं कि क्या ये कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑथेंटिक है या क्या ये कॉन्वर्सेशन ओवर द टॉप ब्रांडेड है. अगर ऑथेंटिक है, उनकी लैंग्वेज में उनके सामने प्रेजेंट करी जा रही है और उनको समझ में आता है कि क्यों मेरे को लाइफ इंश्योरेंस अपनी लाइफ में जल्दी लेना चाहिए. आई एम श्योर हमारे सर्वे ने भी हमें ये बताया है और हमने ये बिहेवियर में भी देखा है that Gen Zs are far more open.
Jump into the last part of the conversation. You seem to enjoy philosophy a lot and clubbing it with insurance. So if I had to ask you, if you had to write a book on insurance, like what would the title be? A monk who sold his insurance or the monk who sold insurance? If you had to choose amongst.
Can't I give a third one?
Of course you can.
Bharosa.ai. Which could be acronymed as BH.ai. That life insurance or Axis Max Life Insurance is your bhai or is that friend of yours in that journey.
You are very happy with your job, it seems.
Same for you.
Okay, moving forward, time for quick fact versus myth. Well, I'll put Rahul on the spot. So Rahul, I'll ask you one-liners.
And one-word answers?
Depends on you. So you have to choose a fact or a myth. So life insurance is only useful when you're older. A fact or a myth?
Myth.
Okay. Term insurance is a waste because there is no return. Fact or myth?
Double myth.
Double myth. Okay. One policy is enough. Fact or myth?
Myth.
Virat Kohli's cover drive is better than Glenn Maxwell's reverse drive. Fact or myth?
Fact.
Okay. Life insurance is only needed if you have dependents.
Myth.
Fact or myth?
Myth.
Myth. You only need one kind of insurance.
Myth.
Insurance claims are never paid out. Fact or myth?
Double myth.
Insurance is an investment tool. Fact or myth?
Can be an investment tool. Fact.
Oh, you chose to be Amar Singh in the last one. But thank you, Rahul. This conversation was indeed fun. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this conversation, please like, subscribe and share this video. And please let us know what do you think of this conversation in the comment section. See you soon. Shabba khair.